Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PHOT. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this one before, but it has been a while. But wow, what a move this one's been making. If this isn't a nice bottom bounce play, then I don't know what is. What I mean by that is when you look down here, you can see once, twice, and maybe even a third time if you want to count there, although it didn't quite hit it. Bounce, 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 and then has just totally taken off. So a good example here of either a double bottom or triple bottom reversal, however you want to look at it. If you don't count that one, then a very clear double bottom. But if you do want to count that one, nice triple bottom reversal here. So a nice real life example of that. So what I want to do now is just get things updated here from the technical chart perspective, map out some supports and resistances, and that way everybody's got an idea what's going on from a technical perspective. So first thing I want to start off with is the golden cross is right around the corner. This is the 50-day simple moving average. Pink line here is the 200-day. So as you can see, it's about to cross up through it. And the golden cross, although is not a leading indicator, it is still a nice kind of solidifying indicator, meaning it really does solidify the fact that this is indeed in a nice bullish uptrend. So that's always good to see. Now, in terms of support levels, the two levels of support that are really sticking out to me, other than obviously those moving averages down below, are going to be these two levels right here. First one being 0.067, which is based on that high right there, and then the other one being based off this other high at 0.061. Not saying the price will come down here and retest those, but let's just say the price did come down here, bounced around before heading back up. Well, when we go to draw our trend line, this set of lows would be higher than this set, which is higher than that, which is higher than that, which is higher than that. You get the point. So then when we would connect our lows to draw our uptrend line, we would still be able to draw the trusty uptrend, and that's what we want to see. So as long as there's higher lows being put in, that's the name of the game. Again, not saying it will go down there, but even if it would, as long as that holds, that's still going to be a higher low, and that's what we want to see. Now, in terms of resistance levels, this is where we have to scrunch up the chart. So I know it's kind of harder to see, but this is a good thing when we have to do this. So let's do a little rearranging here. So looking back here, and actually before we get to that, we have another level of support right there based off the high from way back here in March of 2013. That high is at 0.078. So 0.078, another level of support that has been put in after today's monstrous day. In terms of resistance levels, first level of resistance, and maybe it hit off of it today and actually broke above it but couldn't quite maintain it, is from this high over here at 0.087. So that's going to be a level of resistance. And then after that, next level of resistance isn't until up here right around, we'll call it 10 cents high. So 10 cent, which was the high of that one candle, is going to be the next level of resistance. I'm not going to go any further than that. If the price gets up here and starts to close above these, I'll be back to update the chart again. But that is where the current levels of resistance stand. So all in all, obviously, great looking chart. Golden cross right around the corner. So lots of things occurring in the bull's favor. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. So I encourage you to make an investment into yourself and into your education as a trader and check it out. It's now available in instant download format, so you can get started on it right away. One more time, this was PHOT. Thanks for listening.